When the wind knocked down trees and power lines across the region overnight. Christian Garzone is live this morning with more on how it's looking out there right now. Christian, what are you seeing?
Oh, goodness gracious. Well, the trees are all swaying. The flags are all going all over the place. I mean, it's and the rain started to kick in as well, which is a nice added treat down here. Definitely feeling the breeze down here. It's really something to experience. I've got my hood up because my hair is going to go all over the place and be messed up, but it's really feeling the effects down here of the wind, and again, the rain kicked in. It's just really moving and grooving down here. And general debris in the road, nothing substantial. I did have a milk jug under my car when I was driving in this morning, made a lot of noise. Saw a couple tree limbs down. Just be careful when you're driving. Just garbage and trash floating around in the road might hit you. But nothing crazy. Stay tuned to News 8. We'll be back with you here. Just stick with us. We'll keep you informed. Thanks.
All right, Christian, thank you. Hold on to that hood. Well, if you wake up this morning to see down power lines or power outages, you can report them to RG&E at 1-800-743-1701 or National Grid at 1-800-867-5222. And feel free to share photos of any weather damage you see to the News 8 Facebook and Twitter pages.